Hello friend, I am sharing an interesting video. A classical mistake has been made here by a person. Now, this person thinks that the dog is timid. But look at the curvature of the tail and the slow momentum. This is actually a dominant dog. It seems that the dog is showing affection, but the dog is sizing up to the human. The human because the human has nervous tendency. You can see here, look at how slow the human's touch is. The human is allowing the dog to enter their space by touching it. Now look at the result. The dog has become dominant over the human. Actually, this is an alpha dog. We should always aware about this thing. Now finally you can see what the result would be. The dog is completely dominant over the human, and it's look, it is it beat the human being. Oh my god, oh my god.